Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in to Hyperwallet account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up a particular browser right over here. Simply go to search bar and type in Hyperwallet including login. Type Hyperwallet login, search it up again. Then you will find this option of a login Hyperwallet Program Portal right away. Simply go ahead, tap on that particular link and wait till it's done loading. Then once it's done, this is how the interface is gonna pop up, which you can see the login page right away. Go ahead, enter your account ID, your user ID, and your password accordingly. Tap on login and you will be able to done. Make sure to tap on remember me, so next time you don't have to add in the information again. And then once you're done, tap on login. There you go, you will be able to do so. If you have forgot any information regarding your account, tap on forgot password, reconfirm it, recreate a new one, and then come again and add in the information and log in as well. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.